Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account right here on TradeZero. And if you want to do this, the first step that you are going to do is go to TradeZero.com and click right here on Start Trading. Then now we have two options, a funded account or right here a free paper trading account. And we select right here the free paper trading account. Then right here we do continue, and now we need to fill in right here our first name, last name, country, select right here your country code, fill in your phone number, select right here your email address, so fill in your email address, and then fill in right here the password. Then you click right here on next, and then the page after this, he will send a verification code to your email. So open your email, click on that verification code, and then quite after that, you go further and then you can log into TradeZero. Then you need to open your mail right here. So then you will get right here your account number. This is your account number. And then we copy this right here. So Control C, and then we paste it right here. If you go back, and we want to log in. Let's give this a try, log in. We paste right here our username. So I already did that. Fill in your password, and then if you click right here on sign in, we are now right here on our paper trading account or demo account. So this is how you can create yourselves a demo account right here on TradeZero. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.